This is my living and dining area current decoration. So let's get started with refreshing decoration to give this space a vibrant festive look. First, I'm starting with the curtains. This time I have chosen sheer curtains which bring in plenty of natural light. For privacy, I'm adding a frost film to the windows. It's a practical solution and keeps everything looking elegant. To bring some colors, I have picked out these gorgeous cushion covers from Amazon. They are rich in detail and add just the right amount of festive pop. Moving on to the console table, I'm adding a runner to add more color, and this runner is from local market. So I have purchased this from Janpat market. This runner and center table placemat, both I have taken it from Janpat market. On the center table, I'm layering a round table mat and adding a mirror tray with few decor pieces to tie it all together. Lanterns are a must for Diwali, so I have placed here to add the coziness, and since I don't have fresh flowers, I'm using artificial ones to add a floral touch to the floor. They are vibrant and low maintenance as well. So let's start the TV unit decoration. I have added a magenta silk runner, and then I am adding a metal candle holder set of 3. I have also included an urli which I have decorated with artificial flowers. This is lotus flower, and these are for these candle holders. So I'm putting 3, 3, 2 because I have only 8 flowers. I've taken these artificial flowers from Meesho, and I'm adding the LED candles for a warm, inviting look. This corner was looking empty, so I have added this vase. I was not looking for much more decor item, but then I realized that this is Diwali and we can add more decor items. Now let's move to the dining area decoration. I have chosen an orange silk runner for a festive pop of color, paired with a wooden tray for essentials and 2 matching vases for a uniform look. I have added the marigold flowers tied along the stairs, bringing that classic Diwali feel indoors. So we have used a toran and an artificial garland to give the aesthetic look to the entrance. Now it's time to lit the candles and diyas, and then I'm going to give the tour of my living and dining area. And here we go, the final look. I'm happy with how it all turned out. It feels vibrant, festive and cozy. So please enjoy the tour. Let me know in the comments which part was your favorite. If you enjoyed this makeover, don't forget to like, subscribe for more festive decor ideas.